you're having trouble convincing people to use your cleaning service, then this video is for you. You need to watch this. Ooh. What's up, Boss Fam? It's your boy DJ the Boss, and I am back with another video. Back from CBN conference, man. That was an incredible conference. One thing we talked a lot about was sales for your cleaning business. There was a lot of talk about sales strategies, sales techniques, and different ways to go about approaching systems for your sales in your cleaning business. But I feel like there's one aspect of sales that's extremely important that we did not touch on enough. And so I wanted to bring that here with you guys. Now that we are back to reality in Seattle, where it is not Las Vegas weather, it is freezing cold. So we're gonna get inside, man. Let's talk about some sales for your cleaning business. This is gonna be incredible. So hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, man, you found an extremely good channel. The best thing you can be doing for your cleaning business is to be on a continuous learning journey. And that means subscribing to channels like this and help the channel out, man. This is something that's trying to help you. And the more likes we get, the more YouTube pushes this to more people like us. And we get to build a strong and big community full of like-minded people. So like this video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days. Love it how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursue it. Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days.
Boss Fam, really quick, shout out to everyone who's been reaching out to me and let me know that you've been filling up your calendar and booking walkthroughs and making more money in your cleaning business using the cold sales template that I put out earlier this month. No one is happier for you than me. If you don't have a cold sales system in your commercial cleaning business, then this is a great resource for you. The link is in the description under cold call sales template. There's some bonus information that comes with it about how you can start thinking about automating this system as well. At a heavy discount for the first 100 users, go check it out. The link is in the description. Let's get back to the video. Nothing sells more than your own conviction. One of the biggest parts of selling is, do you believe in what you're selling? Do you actually believe in what you're offering to people? It's going to be so much easier to convince people to do business with you if you actually believe in what you're offering to them. That is huge, so huge. And in the conference, we talked about so many different sales strategies and tactics and systems that I can't believe that this is something that no one really touched on for too long or longer than a couple of minutes. But maybe in that room we don't have to, but I think for you guys, I thought it was really important to share that it's more about your own conviction than anything. And if you are having trouble having conviction and when you speak, it's probably because you're only doing this for the money and you're not actually trying to help people. Because if you're trying to help people, that would be the stuff that you would be researching. You would be looking up to see, how helpful is this? How much can I affect a business by cleaning for them? And then you will find things that will give you more conviction, like how much more productive a business is if their employees aren't sick. And you decrease sick rates by doing routine disinfecting. That actually makes real business difference for businesses. That's huge. You actually affect business. Employees are more likely to come into the office if the office is clean. You can boost employee morale, increase your customer retention, because that's one of the things that deters people away is how bad those bathrooms is. If you have great customer service, people come into their facility and then they go into the bathroom and the bathroom is terrible, then people are probably not gonna frequent that facility, and that can hurt your business. And those are the things that you can have conviction about as you're going to sell your service. And even more so than that, this actually saves lives. There's been people who died in this industry doing things the wrong way, or businesses trying to do cleaning in-house and their employees not being actual cleaners or properly trained cleaners can kill people. It's happened before. I'll try to find the clip for you guys. I believe it was a Buffalo Wild Wings where someone had mixed mopping with bleach with mopping with something with a bunch of lemon or very acidic.
A restaurant worker is dead and 10 other people had to be hospitalized after inhaling fumes from a cleaning agent. It happened at a Buffalo Wild Wings restaurant in Burlington, Massachusetts. Officials say a common product called Super 8 was being used to clean the floor when people inside the restaurant suddenly became sick. One worker was rushed to the hospital and he was later pronounced dead. 8 other workers and 2 customers were being treated for breathing problems and watery eyes. They are expected to be okay.
These are things that you prevent as a cleaning business owner, as a professional cleaning business owner. So have some pride in what you do and look up the benefits and how you're actually helping other people. And once you realize that you are actually making a difference, you will have so much more conviction in the way that you speak about the cleaning business. It doesn't matter if the best price is or if you have the best logo or fancy design. If someone gets on that phone and they sound like they believe what they're saying, they're gonna have a much easier time than you, who's just trying to make a quick buck or just trying to grow your business. You can't be that selfish. Everything in business is about building value and providing value for other people. It's about being helpful for someone else. And if you're only thinking about you, you're nowhere near the right mindset you need to be in order to grow your business, because it's only about other people. Even on the employee side, I'm getting away from the topic here, but even on the employee side, no one's gonna wanna stay working for you if you're only thinking about using these employees to grow your business. You have to be interested in helping them. You have to be interested in making this beneficial to them as well. It's not about convincing someone. You're not gonna convince anyone. You're gonna influence them with your conviction. If you believe, it's going to be much easier for them to at least want to give it a try. That's the message that I wanted to bring here today. And I can't believe we didn't talk more about this at CBN conference, but it was an incredible conference. There was so much value. A lot of the stuff from the CBN conference is posted on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check me out at Cleaning Boss Family on Instagram and TikTok. So go over there. I think we're on Facebook now too. So I think we have a Facebook page. The LinkedIn's coming soon. But yeah, go ahead and follow me on Cleaning Boss Family, and you can get updates in the pictures and the interviews and stuff that I've done with people on IG that were at the CBN conference. So go check that out. There's so much knowledge dropped by so many dope people. More on that coming out soon. So you guys stay tuned to the channel. Like this video, man. This video deserves a bunch of likes. So hit this video. If you don't see the like meter at the like counter at 200 likes, go ahead and hit that like button for your boy so we can spread this message to more people. YouTube really loves the likes, and anytime it sees a like, it pushes it to more people like us, like-minded business owners who just want to grow their business and learn from people. And speaking of learning, subscribe to this channel. If you're not subscribed to this channel, then I don't know what you're doing, man. One of the best things you can be doing for your business is to subscribing to channels like this. People who are doing what you're doing, and people who have done what you're trying to do. It's one of the best places that you can be. Be on a continuous learning journey. That's all business is you're learning from start to finish. You know, we're always going to be learning. Might as well subscribe to people who are putting out information and sharing their journey. And that's what I do. So subscribe to the channel, man. Go and get some conviction about what you're doing, and believe in what you're selling. And that'll help you a long way in your sales. If you get on that phone and you believe what you're saying, you'll have much more success. I promise you. I love y'all, man. Keep that boss mentality. Peace. I specialize in coaching and consulting for new and aspiring commercial cleaning business owners just like you.
He helped me get this whole process started.
I talked to that man for less than 30 minutes, okay?
It was a great move for me to make. I ain't have a lot of money or nothing, but he gave me the steps I need to take to do it.
My goal is to equip you with the tools and the knowledge you need to thrive in this competitive industry.
And all I can say is that the value that was given to us in that 1 hour was well worth what we paid for, in my opinion.
DJ's consultation is 100% worth it.
I come up with a custom plan for you and your business.
The information he provided was invaluable, man.
He provided so much value.
We really love how this information was tailored to our specific needs.
Best practices, marketing strategies, and industry secrets, and anything else you need to get ahead.
We've noticed a big shift in our business.
I just closed 2 clients.
You're also going to save a lot of money by avoiding costly mistakes by learning from someone who's experienced and who's done exactly what you're trying to do.
I highly recommend DJ the Boss.
We definitely recommend a consultation with DJ the Boss to anybody with the cleaning service.
I definitely would recommend using DJ services.
I appreciate you, DJ the Boss.
Shout out to you, DJ the Boss.
Book a one-on-one session with me, and we can help get your business to the next level.